In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can evaluate the limit of a function that is a sort of a complex fraction here. So don't let those negative exponents fool you. We can actually rewrite this expression as 1 over 3 minus h minus 1 over 3. That's going to be all over h. Let me go ahead and write my limit argument there. So the limit as h is approaching 0. Now, if I go ahead and I substitute in for 0, you'll notice that you get 1/3 minus 1/3 all over 0, so you get 0 over 0. Indeterminate form just means that I have to use some sort of algebraic manipulation to go ahead and use that direct substitution method. So the way that I'm going to do that here with my complex fraction is to find that common denominator here in my numerator. Make that complex numerator a little less complex. So the common denominator here is going to be, let's see, we have 3 minus h and 3. So the common denominator is going to be 3 times 3 minus h, which means that this first fraction needs to be multiplied both top and bottom by 3, where this second fraction needs to be multiplied by 3 minus h to both top and bottom. The result is going to be 3 over 3 times 3 minus h minus 1 over, get out of here, 3 minus h all over 3 times 3 minus h. Gosh, all over h. Using my, don't forget, use good notation. So as the limit as h approaches 0. All right, so I can now subtract. They have in the numerator, I can now subtract the numerator, and the result is going to be 3 minus the quantity 3 minus h. Don't forget those parentheses because we also have to subtract that negative h. All over 3 times 3 minus h as my common denominator. Now, instead of writing this divided by h, I'm going to rewrite that as the product of 1 over h. So remember, anytime we divide, you can rewrite it as multiplication. So 3 minus h is going to give me just a positive h. Don't forget that negative times that negative is going to be a positive. So that's why I get a positive h all over 3 times 3 minus h, times 1 over h. So those h's are going to cancel out. And the result, don't forget your parenthesis here, the result is going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 over 3 times 3 minus h. When I plug in 0, what I get is 1 over 3 times 3 minus 0. So 3 times 3 is 9. So my answer is 1/9.